The middle class has been an income-dependent class looking for a job to earn a livelihood. The issue with India in particular is the socio-economic mobility is very poor. What if there was a way to escape the middle class? It is always believed that the middle class suffers the most. They are not poor, so receive minimal help from the state, and not rich, so can't be totally self-reliable either. The issue with India in particular is the socio-economic mobility is very poor. In fact, India ranks second to last in the socio-economic mobility index released by the World Economic Forum. The barriers to entry in business are very high, leaving the Indian middle class in the perpetual cycle of debt and financial constraints. Now, when I say the middle class, I am referring to the middle class in a societal sense and not so much in the actual definition sense. In my view, middle class would be tax-paying citizens making enough money to sustain basic needs but not enough to indulge in what can be considered as luxury. In a sense, if you have to think about money before you make any purchase outside your regular usage, you would be considered as a part of the middle class. Traditionally, the middle class has been an income-dependent class looking for a job to earn a livelihood. That's the category that pays their tax even before they receive the income, or at least can be tracked by the system, leaving them with a limited income to play around with. The usual method to escape has been traditional education, expected to give a better job with a higher pay. That is why parents would take out loans to fund their children's education, even going to the extent of sending their kids to the US and other foreign nations only for them to become middle class in a foreign nation. But what if there was a way to escape the middle class while staying in India and by not spending any additional money on education? Sounds too good to be true? In this video, I will tell you how it can be done. The single biggest shift in modern times has been the advent of the attention economy. That is the new currency. Content creation and the jobs associated with content creation are the new jobs in the market. They require no traditional school-based learning. You can learn them from the comfort of your own home with minimal facilities like a laptop and the internet connection. The opportunities in this field are literally limitless, and all these happen to be extremely high profit margin, which is a key point. The biggest advantage for Indians is their command over the English language. This is one factor that sets us aside from other competing nations when it's come to the attention economy. India itself has the highest number of YouTube users, for example, indicating a substantial domestic market to tap in as well. This, my friends, is a once-in-a-lifetime chance to not only gain financial freedom, but also time and location freedom. You don't need to start big. You can approach other people to provide services for them. Of course, you can start something of your own too. Guys, from my knowledge and experience, the best business to start for people with little to no money is the business that will demand time and energy and not money. That is exactly what the creation economy brings to you. It is impossible for me to cover every aspect and all the opportunities in one video, but from this video, I want you to sit and think about what I just said. A $2,000 contract with a US client, for example, is more money than most managers make in India. If you comment down below in the comments section on how to start a low-budget business in India, I will help you out with it. Guys, I don't want to see the youth of my nation make the same kind of mistakes I did when I was younger. There is nothing wrong in preparing for exams and trying to get into an IIT, for example. Hell, I went to one myself. But if what you really want is a high-paying job, then why not seek the content economy? You don't have to spend money on coaching or tuition fee, and you can make more than most corporate people anyways. The key to escaping middle-class trap in India is the attention economy, and it must be leveraged. Don't let the chance go. You can even start as a side hustle. But please don't waste your valuable time and energy focused on exams alone, which have a success rate of less than 1%, at the end of which, if you don't make it, you are less rich and much older. If you found the video interesting, give it a like. Comment below for future topics on attention economy leverage. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Take care of yourselves and your families. God bless us all. Thank you.